This creamy coriander chicken will blow your mind.
Let's start with the ingredients.
Fresh coriander for amazing flavor.
Add some chili.
Blend it smooth.
Take your chicken.
Add creamy curd. Add this green magic.
Season it well.
Mix and let it rest.
Heat some oil. See, it's starting to bubble. That's perfect. Add onion.
Cook until golden.
Add ginger garlic paste.
Now cook the chicken. It's sizzling nicely. Time to stir.
Add your spices. Make it rich and creamy.
Let it cook for a few minutes. This is insanely delicious. Now garnish with fresh coriander and gently stir it in.
Follow for more delicious recipes.